Hey learners! Today I'm going to show you guys how to create online graphics using Canva. So once you get onto your web browser and log into Canva using your Gmail accounts, you'll find a page that looks like this. From here, you can see that it says to create a design, and there's a couple things that you can choose from. So if you click more, you'll see several different options on design templates and sizes. You will want to be thinking about this resource as you and your group are working on your project to discuss food waste and composting. This would be a great resource. For today, I'm going to show you an example using an infographic. A final product idea could be something like this. And so I'll kind of show you how we could start to work towards that. So once you're here, you're going to select the design that you would like. Once it pulls up, you're going to see the design blank template in here. On Canva, you have a couple choices. You can design it from scratch, or you can come over here and see that there's a bunch of different design templates that you can work with as well. Now, if you choose one of these, you're going to have to go through and, of course, edit it and change it to your specific content and information and images. So I'm going to give you an example using just a blank template to show you how easy it is to kind of go through and create your own design. So once you're here, there's a lot of different things you can add to it. On this sidebar to the left, you'll notice that there are different elements that you can add. We'll start here where you can be adding in free photos, grids, frames, shapes, lines. All these different things are choices that you can add to your design. You can also be working into just the whole background of the image or of your design, and you can make changes for the whole thing there. Now, if I come into elements, you can see that I can add free photos, and if I select this, it'll come up with a bunch of different images that say free. These are the ones that you can use on your design. Or you can come in and search specific things that you're wanting to use. So if I'm doing composting, I can search that. You'll notice that some of them have prices on them and others say free. So you'll want to make sure you select the free ones. When an image is inserted into your design, you can easily resize it and move it around to your liking. You can also, you'll want to zoom in or zoom out to be able to better view your design. You can then come in and add other elements such as shapes. This is a great way to break up your design. When you insert different things, you'll notice that they'll, up in this top bar, will be different ways that you can edit. So for this one, you can change the color. So once you make a change on the color, that'll show up in your design. To add text, you'll come into where it says text. There are free designs on text that you can add and then edit, or you can add your own. A heading is obviously going to be larger, a subheading will be smaller than that, and then the body will be the big chunk of the text that you're adding when you're adding information on what you've done through your research. So if I want to add a heading, I can put that in here. When I select the text box, I can move it easily. I can select all the text and change the font. You'll notice that those choices come up in that same editing portion. You can change out the font, you can change out the font size, the color. And add your own text. Another thing that you can do is you can come in and you can upload your own images. Make sure you're using free to use images. You'll click upload your own images and have them saved to your desktop or somewhere where you can easily find them. And once you select those, you can open them and they will upload right into this uploads section of Canva. You can then click and drag and resize your different images that you have chosen as well onto your design. So once you have all your information, your images, your design the way that you like it, it's really easy to come back in and download and save this. I recommend, you can use PNG, but I recommend using PDF. You'll want to download your design, and then you can easily save it to your Google Drive or desktop. If you're not done with your design, you'll want to make sure it generally saves all of your changes automatically. Once you have them all saved, you can go back and you can notice that it's already in your file so that you can come back to it later. And that's how to use Canva. Have fun!